Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Depending on the terrain or application, different types of cutting blades are available for your lawnmower. Most lawnmowers come with a standard lift blade that can be used for mulching, bagging, and side discharge. High lift and gator blades are best suited for bagging and mulching, while low lift blades are useful when the terrain is sandy or dry and the clippings are not bagged. With repeated use, a cutting blade can become dull, reducing its ability to cut the grass evenly. You can sharpen a blade to improve performance, but you may want to consider replacing the blade with a new one for the best results. Cutting blades are often unique to each lawnmower and will vary depending on the model and application. You should enter the full model number of your mower in our website search bar to find the specific cutting blade you need. Before you replace the cutting blade, make sure the mower engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting, and close the fuel valve if applicable. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. If applicable to your model, tip the lawnmower back on its handle assembly and weight it down. Alternatively, you can tip the mower on its side with the fuel tank and carburetor facing up. Use a wood block or a comparable sturdy object to hold the blade in place, and an appropriate size socket to unthread the 1 or 2 nuts or bolts securing the blade to the adapter. To make the job easier, you can use a blade removal tool. To use the tool, align it on the edge of the mower deck with the end of the cutting blade positioned inside the bracket. Tighten the clamp securely. The tool will prevent the blade from rotating as you loosen and unthread a mounting nut or bolt. When installing a new cutting blade, the blade should be positioned on the adapter with the sharp edges facing away from the mower deck. When using the blade removal tool, make sure the end of the blade is positioned inside the removal tool bracket as you align the blade on the adapter. Replace any ancillary support if applicable, then thread the mounting nuts or bolts. Secure the blade as necessary and torque each nut or bolt between 40 and 60 foot-pounds, depending on manufacturer's specifications. If using a blade removal tool, loosen the clamp and slide off the tool. Return the lawnmower to its upright position. Open the fuel valve if applicable. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your mower should be ready for use.